And the last one for today is Airplane Part 2 by BTS. This is one of my all-time favourite BTS songs. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And yeah, I listen to it quite a bit. I haven't seen this video. It's a BTS comeback show from a few years ago. So I'm looking forward to it. I mean, the song, I always look forward to this song. Don't even need to see a video for it. But yeah, I haven't seen this video. I'm assuming it's a live performance, which is always excellent. So let's go.
꿈에 숨쉬는 노래해 내 어디든 좋아 음악이 하고 싶어 내 어딘가에 심장을 뛰게 하던 띵 하나뿐이는 그를 걸었지만 쉽지 않아 시대와 정말 지친 날 누군가 불러 세워던 내 말
Jimin's voice is just beautiful. All their voices are fantastic. I can't really pick whose voice I prefer over any of the others.
살지 김나주 보니 RS 25살 사는 법은 아직도 모르겠어 그러니 오늘도 우리는 그냥
We're going from Manhattan to Cali London to Paris 우리가 가는 그곳이 어디는 Paris MRT까지 We're going from Tokyo, Italy Hong Kong to Brazil 이 세계 어디서나 또는 노래하네 El mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi.
Love this performance. Oh, it's so good. Their voices are just incredible live.
Guru me no ay, Guru me not real, Guru me tracking, ay, Guru quay county, Guru qua 하루 쟁여, ay, Guru 타는 재미, Guru 보면 faking, 너희 몰라 maybe 몇년 동안의 빈 컷을 막 뛰지만 무심한데 거기로 너희들을 위로해줘 내 악급이 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경 다 없군 누구든지 뭐라던 그저께서 verse를 지키며 뻔한 애를 보게 지금 내 자리에 맞춰
I don't know
그래 멈추는 법도
I don't know
그래 조심는 법도
I don't know
실패하는 법도
I don't know
TV 나와서 하는 귀여운 도시락들은 빼러 여권을 바라봐 직접 with your head 그 괴려 넌 내가 받았지 가가가가 야
What can I say? Yugi's the best.
너는 너네가 더 잘해 우린 여전히 그도 똑같아
We're going from Mexico City London to Paris 우리가 가는 그곳이 어디든 Paris El mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi We're going from Tokyo, Italy Hong Kong to Brazil 이 세계 어디서라도 노래하리 El mariachi, el mariachi, el mariachi El mariachi
Wow. Okay. That was great. That was absolutely great. I loved it. Great performance. Great song. Um, okay, I've got to do it. All the grannies. Definitely all the grannies for that one. All the grannies and more. Twice. Double. 10 times. All the grannies for that. I just love that song. But yeah, what a great performance. Um, I think sometimes that a live version can be better because it has more personality and it's more dynamic, and I mean their voices are pretty much just as good live as the recorded albums. Um, I absolutely loved that. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.